Hi, this is Ben Ames with DC Velocity, and we're here at ProMat 2025 this week in Chicago. Today at the show, we've come by the booth of Muratech USA and SimCorp North America. Here to give us a little tour and let us know what they're talking about is Jason Stahl. Jason, thank you for having us in the booth, and maybe you could start us off by telling us a little about the company.
Thank you, Ben. Murata Machinery, Muratech USA, and SimCorp North America are a global manufacturer of material handling automated solutions, including automated storage and automated transportation.
Great, and so that covers a lot of ground. What sort of specific stuff are you showing people at the show here this week?
Our model specifically, we are showing a warehousing and or production facility most any business would have, where we have pallet storage. On the one side, we have inbound, outbound processing kind of on the front. We have our case and tote automated storage systems all the way down to our shuttle, which we have a representation of that here in our booth today, our shuttle. And then all of the ancillary conveyance, picking, automated guided vehicles, solutions to get the materials in and out of the automated storage provided and manufactured by Muratech.
Great, and so there are a lot of moving parts here, even though it's just a demo, but they all seem to move, really in symphony with each other. I guess they're all networked or integrated.
Exactly. The idea is the customer touches the material once, automation takes over until they need it again.
Gotcha. Terrific. And understand that you also have some other demonstrations of that approach that we can see here in the booth. Maybe we can take a walk.
Exactly.
Okay.
Let's take a walk over here to our shuttle.
Great. So, Jason, now we came from the model, and over here we have some racks with looks like moving shuttles on them. What can you tell us?
Yeah, this is our Unishuttle system. This we're highlighting today and launching in North America our double reach shuttle. So we traditionally had the capacity of just having one tote or case on each side, but now we're able to do a double reach where we can put two on each side. So now we've doubled the density with the same number of technology. This particular product is high speed, high capacity, throughput.
And so it looks like each shuttle still holds one tote at a time, but now it can reach twice as many on the same trip.
It holds one at a time. And then it gives us the opportunity to store more, but it is only going to move one at a time.
Gotcha. Great. And are there certain applications or profiles of what sort of inventory or user this might be a really good fit for?
That's a great question, Ben. The advantage of the Muratech shuttle is it's free case. So we have a minimum and a maximum size, and virtually anything that a customer could want to put in there from a tote or a box would fit regardless of industry.
Gotcha. It covers a whole lot of space there. That's awesome. And I guess we're going to take another walk here and talk to a colleague on the SimCorp side of things. So
yes,
we'll catch up with you again in a minute.
Okay.
And now we're over on the other corner of the booth here, and we have Adam Gurga from SimCorp. Adam, thank you for having us in your booth.
Thanks for having us.
To start off with, maybe you could just tell us a little bit about how SimCorp fits into the vision of what you guys have going on.
Sure. So to expand a little bit on what Jason had mentioned before when we were taking a look at our model, we're leveraging the global manufacturing capabilities of the Murata Machinery Group globally. SimCorp brings a lot of specialty equipment into that, specifically fast-picking gantry technology that we manufacture in Finland. But the idea here with the Dreamfield concept that we're showing here at the show is all of these modules can be utilized to solve our customers' challenges. And we make sure that we look at these modules with the customers here. The Future Lab is kind of a neat way that we're demonstrating how we work with our customers to build this flexible system with these standardized modules to bring down cost and accelerate the integration process here too. So as you can see, if I move some of these modules like a high bay warehouse, you may have an idea in your mind of how your warehouse is going to flow from a conceptual standpoint. So this is a way to interact with our customers, really get them kind of engaged and thinking in terms of how we do with our Dreamfield concept.
Interesting. And so, what kind of a fit is this the best match for with customers? Brand new sites, sites that they're adopting from previous uses? How does it fit in?
Yeah, it's a great question because it actually can be both. It could be brownfield retrofits. We can work with greenfield sites to develop a whole new solution here. So really, this is kind of allowing this is the foundation of the ideas we're working on with our customers here. But then we go and we lean on all the manufacturing capabilities and the technologies that Murata brings to the table. We pull those modules and those technologies in, and then SimCorp becomes the integrator for the entire project there. So it's really about partnership with our customers from end to end. And that's the Dreamfield model there, really end-to-end solutions across the entire supply chain.
And it sounds like that really underlines sort of the partnership or the family between Murata and SimCorp, right?
Absolutely,
How they fit together.
absolutely. And we work together like a family, and that's really important even with our customers. Your first impression is the best impression you're going to give there. We want to make sure that we've got trust, reliability, not just between the two organizations, but with our customers as well. So this is kind of a neat, engaging tool that we can use with our customers to get them going and thinking about how we want to work with them.
And now Jason is back with us again, and we've seen a lot of neat demonstrations and technology here. So just wondering, as the week goes on, how can people find you here at ProMat if they want to get hands-on and look more closely themselves?
Come right through the door. We're at booth S1231. You can see the big SimCorp Muratech tower in the background, and we've got a lot of technologies on display.
Really appreciate the time in the booth with you gentlemen here today. This has been Ben Ames with DC Velocity here at ProMat 2025.